5. Ordinarily, if you press enter, it's going to even add the brackets for you. I'll press enter. So you can see it has calculated it for me. So this person, let's look at if it is true. This person has 81. Is 81 supposed to have an A? Yes. So let me copy this. Let me shift it to this, to the end here, to history. So you can see, let's compare these two values now. Under mathematics, Aaron Ellis had A. The score here is 81. Under English, he has A. The score here is 82. Under chemistry, he had F. The score here is 38. So you can see. So if they did not meet up to 40, any other thing is what? Fail. So you can see that's why the person had F here. Under physics, the person had A. The score here is 94. Under geography, he has C. The score here is 53. Under agri, he has D. The score here is 49. Under biology, he has E. The score here is 40. Under economics, it has A. The score here is 77. You can see it. Under history, it has B, which is what? 69. So now, once you've done it for the first person, just like any other cell, you just copy it across. So I've copied from here to this point. If I double click it, 1, 2, it will fill everything. And that's all for this cell. So let me expand my cell so that you see what I have done here. So you can see I've calculated it for 243 students. So that's the beauty of using Excel. So if a lecturer has